नमस्कार, मैं हूँ वैरान पाठक और आज डिवाइनिटी इज योर बर्थ में आज इंग्लिश में फिर से बात करते हैं। इट इज द नॉर्मल स्टेट ऑफ ऑल ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, even of a sadhak, but in a sadhaka too constantly follows the process of removing is the world consciousness. Follow the process of removing is the world consciousness, just as the clearing the water surface covered with the moss. This is always a little higher consciousness coming into the field. However, if the stop his efforts for a new minute, the world consciousness creeps in again. So the whole of the spiritual process is a constant and unremitting effort. Persistent are the tenacious efforts, continuous, unbroken effort gradually cases the world consciousness and the temporary removed and the replace it the spiritual consciousness. The when are not aware of this world of the body of your self as an everything but you are aware of only which is the source of this, the ultimate reality, the very essence of the existence. God awareness will come in, God consciousness will come in, and the transformation of the consciousness is being brought about through gradual process of the absolute perfection of the entire inner enlightenment, because consciousness makes itself manifest through the mind of the consciousness, as we have idea of the touch of the dead being, which is the consciousness itself. It is the concept as an idea. So we know the awareness and the mental awareness, so that our definition awareness is being thinking awareness is something which total illumination expression through the mind. So foremost we have work only through the mind. Unless we work through the mind, there is no method to approaching consciousness which is supermental, which is beyond our mind transaction. The spiritual process is a process of the divesting of the mind and earthly association, all the gross associations, everything that the world, everything that the rajas and tamas. How you can how you can you do it. These things are not tangible and visible, cannot everything that rajas and the tamas. How you can do these are the not tangible, are the not visible, you so cannot hold them one by one and put them out. You cannot do this process because they are in the mind, they are internal, they are invisible, and they are also abstract. This is the problem of the sadhaka. They are all thought, emotions, various modes, karma, precious memory, vasana, and inclinations gradually built up due to past experience. So and find that there is no method of physically going and throwing them out. We cannot take a bond, we cannot take a broom and clean the mind. Then how to do it? And only process to care new career improves and the construct through the within mind, which will gradually gain strength, become firm, and ultimately growth and expand and bring about a total reversal of the very nature of your mind. It is normal condition, it is ways, behavior and activity. Thanking all of you. मैं हूं धर्मेंद्र पाठक। इतना सुनने के लिए मैं आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं। मुझे देखते रहिए यूट्यूब पर वैरान पाठक धर्मेंद्र सर्च करके और सुनिए अपने मन की शांति के उपाय।